7 Passive Income Ideas for Young Africans. Does the idea of making money in your sleep interest you? Are you interested in waking up each day to a bigger bank account? Then you need to watch this video. In this video, we'll be looking at 7 passive income ideas for young Africans. We'll also drop a bonus point at the end to help you get started with investing. Hey there, and welcome to After School TV. We inspire you to explore opportunities to achieve your life goals and make more impact. If you're new here, then do us a favor and like, comment, and of course subscribe to this channel. So let's get to it. Contrary to popular belief, passive income doesn't start out as passive at first. You'll need to put in some time and effort, at least to get it started. But in no time, you find these ideas are generating income without you doing anything. Without further ado, here are 7 passive income ideas. 1. Start a blog. Are you looking for an extremely cheap yet highly scalable way to create a passive income for yourself? You might want to take a moment and consider starting a blog. Did you know you can start a blog for as little as a penny for your first month and just a couple of dollars per month after that? Once you can consistently use your blog and create a lot of value for many people, you can generate an extraordinary amount of passive income. As you post to your blog more and more, your site will start bringing in traffic whether you put in any additional time or not. 2. Sell stock photos. Here's an idea that's perfect for photographers and photography enthusiasts. Are you a photographer or someone who enjoys snapping pictures? Put that talent to use. If you want to make extra money for your photos, you could consider selling your images as stock photos. Stock photos are generic photos, illustrations, and icons created without a particular project in mind. They are then licensed, usually for a fee, to individuals or organizations for marketing materials, websites, packaging, book covers, and more. The easiest way to make your images available for sale as stock images are to use a third-party site such as Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Alamy, etc. If you have the skills and resources to do so, you could also sell your stock images on your own website. 3. Start an affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing involves recommending a product or service to an audience. It's a great source of passive income because you earn a commission whenever someone uses your referral link to buy the recommended product or service. It's also a growing industry. Statista estimates that the affiliate marketing industry will reach $8.2 billion by 2020. Online entrepreneurs become affiliate marketers for a few key reasons. The beauty of passive income businesses is that they can be combined in different ways. For example, you can combine your blog with your affiliate marketing business. You can use your blog to recommend your affiliate product or services to them. 4. Sell an app or product. If you have a skill or service that you can share with others, you can build an app or create a product to sell. For example, suppose you are passionate about fitness and have a background in creating workouts. In that case, you could create a workout app. You could also create a physical or digital product, such as an ebook or a physical book if you'd rather do that instead of an app. Hiring someone to create an app for you can get expensive. If you're willing to learn, you could create an app on your own or better services. Creating an app or product is a great source of a passive income. Selling products that you create can also be very profitable. Sites like Etsy allow you to sell your handmade, custom, and unique products. It's simple to set up a storefront and get started. 5. Invest in cryptocurrency. While many are more attuned to earning passive income with fiat currency, the advancements in the crypto space have propelled a new digital economy that allows individuals to earn passively with cryptocurrency. Though trading and investing in digital currency help individuals earn some form of passive income, this typically requires additional research and skills. Moreover, with persistent price swings and market volatility, it might not necessarily be a guaranteed source of income. Even the best investors are likely to meet with periods of losses in times of market downturn. As such, it might be a good idea to source alternative methods to help maximize the productivity of your crypto holdings. Check out our other videos to learn more about how to make money with cryptocurrency. 6. Sell courses online. The e-learning market has been booming ever since the pandemic outbreak. Since everyone is stuck at home, more and more people are investing in online learning. So why not make this your passive income idea? Think of a few areas you have some expertise in. You can easily monetize your expertise by creating and selling online courses. You can use platforms such as Udemy or Coursera, or even sell online courses on your website. The idea will need an initial investment of time and money in creating high-quality digital courses. But once the course picks up, you'll be earning a consistent passive income on the side. 7. Create YouTube videos. YouTube is another great passive income stream option that you can jump on. You'll find that you can make recurring income from your YouTube channel, from sponsored videos to ad revenue. The secret to creating a successful YouTube channel is creating content on a consistent schedule for a long time. That's it. If you stick with it for the long haul, you'll eventually start reaping the passive income rewards. Getting started on YouTube is hard. It requires a lot of initial time investment, but once you get it right, the passive income will steadily roll in. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Before we leave, here's a bonus point for you to make passive income as a young African. Farm investments. As a young African, farming is one of the passive income opportunities you can invest in. Starting a farm actually costs a lot of money. Thankfully, several fintech applications allow you to invest in different farms and earn yields on your investment. Why not check out our other videos to learn more about farming as an investment opportunity? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you next time.